Hey beauties! Ready to slay the day without worrying about makeup meltdowns? Follow this step-by-step guide for a sweat-proof makeup routine that stays flawless throughout the day. Start with a mattifying primer. This creates a smooth canvas and forms a barrier against sweat, ensuring your makeup adheres perfectly. Next, choose a lightweight, long-wearing foundation that can withstand the heat. Set your foundation with a translucent powder. This step not only prevents shine but also locks in your makeup. Transform your game with waterproof mascara and eyeliner, ensuring no smudges. Go for powder-based blushes and highlighters. They blend seamlessly and are less likely to budge during sweaty moments. Seal it all in with a setting spray. This final touch creates a protective layer, ensuring your makeup stays long. Choose long-wearing lip products that defy time. Lastly, keep blotting papers on hand for quick touch-ups, and drink water throughout the day to maintain a healthy, glowing complexion. Comment blush to know my favorite powder blush. See you in the next video.